Good grief, am I not a fan of Bank of America customer service. So I started a call way before the market opened and I sat on hold, and then a typical 9:28 a.m. they finally pick up. So I think, all right, this should be a 5-minute call. I got a claim number, all this blah blah blah, and then it's like reinventing the wheel. So but hey, welcome. I am Clay Trader from claytrader.com. I clearly needed to vent there, but it is 9:50, so it's 20 minutes into the market. Just got an order out there. It was nice. I was at least able to throw some alerts in the chat room while they put me on hold, took me off hold, put me off hold. But the last thing I was going to do was hop into a trade and then try to talk with a customer service person. So getting a little later start and saw some really good opportunities come. In fact, for those of you wondering, how does the chat room work? You can see right here, PZZA, I just, is it bottoming out here? So bottom alert right there at 9:39. So that alert again right there. And I'm just showing this just because a lot of the questions I get is, hey, so how exactly does your chat room work? So there's an example of an alert. And you can see, 9:39 was right around that area there. And a nice little bounce right there. Now I'm thinking maybe potential dead cat bounce, but, just one of the examples of the frustration level. So let's see if I can find some trade. All right, have an order out here on MBLY. See if it can push up here. First order at 49.25. I'll keep you updated. All right, going for the break of 49 here. There's the break. So I'm in with my first allotment, but I will look to build more. So I'm down to 400 shares here. But like I said, I am willing to get more shares. So let's see if I can get some up there at 75. Got those. So just throwing out some orders down here if it wants to pull back. So need a break of 50. Okay, so I got some more off there. Let's see if it can pull back some more. So I'm down to 600 shares here now. Showing pretty good strength up there, so still at 500 shares. Down to 400 shares here. And just want to get out there. It's acting a little too strong for my liking. We're consolidating through this kind of bullish formation here. So I want to get out before it potentially just starts to head back up. Just showing a little bit too much strength. I wanted to see more of a collapse down through there, but you saw it got kind of stuck in the 40s. But I'm going to keep an eye on it. If it wants to move back upwards, I'll happily start all over again. But for the time being, just was showing a little bit too much strength for my liking. So now it's working on the break of 50. Have an order in to start at 50.47. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. That'd be a fantastic first entry point if I could. So let's see if the price wants to push up there. But that's why I hopped out. I was just showing too much strength, and now you're seeing the results of that. So it's moving. Let's see if it can get up there or not. I'll pause it, but I will try to capture the entry. Okay, got another order out there on KORS. So got a couple orders out there. Both are kind of moving right now. So I'll try my best to get an entry point on either of them, or I should say on one of them, but by trying to get both, I meant, well, MLBY, that one just kind of crapped out real quick. All right, I'll pause it. All right, getting close to a potential entry point here at 43.35. Obviously a big old move here on KORS. This thing's getting quite overextended. So I'll keep you updated. All right, have order in to buy some NVDA at 27.80, just an introductory order. This move here has gotten pretty crazy. So we'll see if it keeps pulling back or not. But I do have an order out there. All right, I'm just going to wrap things up. I'm actually very irritated right now because, like I said, I missed out on some of those due to that customer service call, and now I'm wanting to force trades. And I can hear the voices in my head, and I know what these voices are. You know, that's as a trader, you got to learn to identify who are these voices, what are they really trying to do. And right now, the voices in my head are trying to pose as being my friend, but really they are just want me to force trades, and kind of take out some of my frustration from missing out on the things that I missed due to that customer service call. So I realize that if you've never traded before, I probably sound like a crazy person talking about voices in my head, but I assure you, put some money on the line and voices will come to visit you that you didn't even know existed. So I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll go over the guide real quick before I go. The guide here just goes over the most popular question I get, and that is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you're trading? So if you're interested in that, the tools that I'm using, you can go ahead and click right there, and I'll send you the guide. I'll email it to you. It's totally free, and like I said, it's a good little risk versus reward. Risk totally free, reward, if it really helps you out, then that's awesome. So if you're curious what I'm using to find these stocks that you see me trading, you can click right there. And also, if you're interested in the chat room, just go to claytrader.com and you can click on the inner circle tab. That will be where you can find more information on the chat room. Super fairly priced, especially if you compare it to other people out there. So like I said, if you're interested in that and coming and trading alongside me and other awesome traders, then go ahead and check that out. But I apologize for the video quality in terms of not capturing many trades, and I'd like to capture some more. It's only 10:15 a.m., but like I said, I need to chill out, and just kind of subside. So maybe I'll go play with my daughter, maybe take a quick walk outside or something. But everybody have a great rest of the day.